Mabuhay! I'm Roland S, a third-year student from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in General Science in MINDORO State University. This video lesson is intended for the subject of Technology, Teaching, and Learning 2. This topic is about plant organelles on how we relate in real-life situation, relating plant cell in amusement and the function. So we're going to define what is plant cell. Plant cell, it is a nucleus, cell membrane, cytoplasm, and mitochondria too, but they also contain following structures like cell wall. A cell wall is a hard layer outside of the cell membrane containing cellulose to provide strength to the plant. And now, what is cell wall again? Cell wall, it is a structural layer surrounding some types of cells just outside the cell's membrane. It can be tough, flexible, and sometimes rigid. It provides the cell with both structural support and protection, and also acts as a filtering mechanism. So what is cytoplasm as we relate in our real life situation through roller coaster? Cytoplasm, it is the area where all the organelles are located, responsible for holding the components of cell and protects from damage. It stores the molecules required for cellular process, and it is also responsible for giving the cell its shape. Next is cell membrane. So how we relate the cell membrane? It is the part of a plant cell that check out what is coming in. If a bad cell that would harm the overall plant or plant cell, it rejects. Next is nucleus. It is the control center of the atom that would be like the headquarters in the part. And the mitochondria, can be compared to the power source of part because they both produce the energy of power needed. Also turns protein into usable energy for the cell. Like the heel on a roller coaster, uses the energy from engine to bring it up and turns gravity into energy to bring it down. That is how mitochondria is like a heel on a roller coaster. Next is endoplasmic reticulum. It can be compared to a transportation system, as you can see in the drawing or illustration, within the part like a monorail, because both the smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum transport material throughout the cell. Next is the vacuole. The vacuole can be compared to the clean-up crew because they both help maintain the shape. It holds energy for the cell to use later on. The gas tank can be compared to a vacuole because the gas tank stores gas for the roller coaster to use when needs it. And the Golgi. The Golgi complex is charged of separating and packaging substances in the cell. This similar to the workers at the gift shop who package gifts purchased. Also, the roller coaster carts can be related to the Golgi body because the carts receive people and send them around the roller coaster. And the next one is the nuclear membrane. The person who controls the whole ride can be compared. They are both the boss and the controls everything about the cell of amusement. The nucleus tells all the organelles what to do, and the person who controls the rides tells amusement what to do. The next is the ribosomes or snack machine in the roller coaster. The ribosomes can be compared to the snack machine because the ribosome produce protein for the cell and their snack machine. Unhealthy food produces protein for the people's body. That would be all about our discussion for today. I hope you learn about the topic, and thank you so much.